Welcome to the Custom Cafe.
Hi, I'm Muriel and welcome to another Quazy Ride. And in this video we have another tip for a motorbike stop in the south of England, the Custom Cafe.
Welcome to the Custom Cafe on the A259 in Bexhill.
They say they are the home of great food, great music and best of all, great company. Now, we are only here for coffee, but it's a very nice stop, especially during some real English weather.
If you like this video, please hit that like button, and if you don't want to miss our future tips on cool biker stops, subscribe to the channel. And if you want to keep going crazy now, there's a video on a cool biker stop right at the Picos triangle in the Picos d'Europa in the middle of your screen.